Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share recipes and healthy lifestyle tips. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to roast garlic. So I use a lot of garlic because I cook a lot, so I buy these containers of already peeled garlic. This is the easiest way for me. So, and I roast a lot at a time so that I don't have to worry about it for a long time, and I use it up quickly. So I do a lot. And then I drizzle on some good extra virgin olive oil. And these I pre-rinsed. I know you probably don't have to, I'm sure they're already rinsed, but I always rinse everything anyways. And then you just fold it up in the foil. And depending on how much garlic you're doing, as to how long it takes. Earlier I did some at 300 degrees and it took a couple hours, but it was a little less than this. I'm going to show you. So 300. And that's probably going to go for about 3 hours on 300. I'll check it at 2 hours, but it just roasts slow. And so this one, yum. It's golden brown and soft. And roasted garlic is mild, sweet. It's great. In recipes, it's not bitter. And what I do is I store it in these little containers because, like I say, I use a lot of it. So I'll put the amount that I'll use in about a week to up to 2 weeks at the most per container. And then I'll keep one in the refrigerator, and then I'll put the rest in the freezer, which they'll stay for several months in the freezer. And then I just pull one out of the freezer about once a week as I need it. And then when I take it out, usually for recipes, I just smash it with the back of a spoon and use it in any recipe like that. And it's delicious, it's healthy, it's immune boosting, wonderful. I love it in everything. Okay. So now I'm going to show you, hold on, let me rinse my hands real quick, a way to grind hard herbs, because I usually like powdered forms of herbs like rosemary and thyme and fennel, but it's harder to find the powdered version at the store. And what am I trying to say? It's harder to find the powdered version, and if you buy it in bulk, you can buy like a large amount of rosemary or fennel or whatever you use a lot, and then grind it a little bit at a time so that it'll stay fresher. And then you can just use some empty little containers that you already have. This one with rosemary already, but if I have one that I need to label, I'll just label it myself. That'll be for fennel. But this isn't open yet. Sorry guys. And herbs have tons of health benefits. Very immune boosting, so I use a lot of herbs in everything. Rosemary is awesome, especially on potatoes. Okay, and so this little grinder that I got has a little removable bowl, so you can wash it real well between the different herbs. And then you just grind it. Beautiful. It smells delicious. And then you have rosemary powder. And I know I have a little funnel somewhere, but I didn't get it. And you just put it in your little jar, and you have crushed rosemary. So those are my tips for today, guys. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.